Well, welcome to the worst part about the camping is cleaning up all the mess. And what's really crummy is everything got packed when it was wet. So
lay it out and dry.
We have no choice but to pull everything out and really set it up. We're gonna have to set up the tent again. We're gonna have to pull out all the sleeping bags and wash them, which we were gonna do anyway, but it's of necessity now. Boston decided this morning would be a good time to magnet fish, and he found us a broken part of a ladder. That's fantastic. But I'm gonna tell you to go throw that thing away right now.
Okay.
Put some gloves on and get it out of my sight, because it's gross and taking up space. Why are you making that face while holding that backpack?
I mean, this is bad news.
It's
everything is just wet.
Wet,
Everything
stinky.
inside is wet, stinky, soggy. This is bad.
Yeah, I've never had a camping thing where we come back smelling so bad. Like there's a camping smell and then there's like this smell.
Yeah, this is, I've unpacked many camping trips myself, and this is intense.
Next level.
Yeah.
I have no idea why it smells so bad. The food, I don't know. Grease, everything.
Well, ocean
yeah.
adds a layer that I'm not used to.
Yeah, we've never camped ocean camping, so.
Stinky. Okay.
It's rough. Oh boy, look at these treasures. That's fantastic.
Hmm.
Did you remember that today?
Huh? Yeah.
Need some of that?
Yeah.
I do.
I'm trying to set you up in my medicine cabinet. Please stay. Please stay. All right, here we go. I need to trim my hair just a little bit, and this is really sad. My hair cutting lady, Daisy, she is a hair cutting specialist. She does virtual haircuts. She has breast cancer, and I am so sick of people in my life that I love getting cancer. I'm so sick and tired of it. It's everywhere, and I loathe it. My hair cutting stuff isn't even where it's supposed to be. Dang it. So I'm like trying not to get choked up about it. She's such a great woman. She was beyond kind to me during some rough times, and I just hate this for her. I hate this for her. So what I'm gonna do is just I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like it's a little long. It's like I can't do it the way she does it. She has this like whole method, and I don't want to pull hair down. I don't know. I just need these like stragglers. She'll watch this and absolutely croak at what I'm doing, but it'll be fine. I am just so sick of these little hairs that creep down. So we're just gonna cut some of these. It's just, I don't want my hair any shorter, but I also don't want it any longer. The front pieces, ugh. I'm so sick of my hair, I can't even stand it. So we're gonna come at like a little bit of an angle. Because I don't want the front pieces shorter than those side pieces. I'm a hairstylist and I'm cringing at myself. That was too much. That was too much. Oh, yep, there's a hole. Nice thing about curly hair though is, oh yeah, see look, oh my gosh. Well, lucky for me, I don't really care about a whole lot right now. So my hair is like the least thing I care about. Like oh, that sucks. Why did I do that? Guess we'll just take a little more off everywhere else too. This is how botched hair jobs end up on the internet, and everybody can laugh at them. Actually, now. Here's my hair. Here's where it was. I went shorter and I didn't want to go shorter. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Which means I've got to take just a pinch more back here and then I'll work around to the other side. It's fine. How did my hair end up so short? I seriously thought I was doing such a good job. I wasn't. Oh my gosh, I did not mean to do that. Well, shoot. It's a lot of hair. Dang it, I'm really bummed that I did that. And that was too short. There's a hole back here now too. To be honest, I literally don't care at all. I just don't freaking care. Hopefully Daisy doesn't watch this because she's gonna be real disappointed in me. Hanging up on, be careful. I wonder if Joel will notice. Probably won't. I wish that it wasn't this short, but it will be fine. Hey, you know what? Look how even that is. Looks pretty dang even. Maybe that'll feel fresh and good. Oh, I didn't want it to be shorter. I really didn't. I'm seriously an idiot. I did not mean to do all that. I just seriously didn't. But here we are. I'm an idiot. I'm gonna watch this back and wanna die. And just be like, why'd you do that? I didn't think I was cutting that much. And I wanna grow my front pieces out. I almost want it all one length. Oh, the thing is I've been trying really hard to embrace my curly hair, and every time I fix it, I'm like, I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix my curly hair. I don't. Okay, I can get the curls. Now I can get the curls to curl now. But then what do I do with it? Like, now what do I do with it? Like, there's zero styling. I hate it. I don't know what to do with it. That's my kids, not my dog. Who's barking? Lady. That's not Lady. Now what? What do I do with it now? I mean, that looks pretty dang even in the back. That looks pretty even in the back. I mean, I did a fine job. Maybe there's a little gap right there. It's fine. We got everything in our camping gear put away, and we're tired, we're hungry, we're hot. And all the laundry's being done, and Cody's learning how to throw his cast net. He was getting so frustrated. Ooh, and he's done so good. Let me turn this around so you can watch him. We're just getting form down. It wasn't as good as your first one, but it was still open. It's way better than nothing. Because at first it was just like a blob going in there, but now he can get it to where it's like open. That's pretty good, Code. Do you want to try it again?
Yeah, I will. They're scared before it even hits the water.
Does it close up automatically, or when you pull it?
I don't think you got anything. I don't get any. They're fast.
But at least you can open that up now. That's really good, Cody. They spread before that net even came down. They were gone. Did you see that? That was crazy.
You should try though.
You should try, but
Yeah, baby.
I knew
What do you think of that?
It's cool.
It is
You only
pretty
need
cool.
like 30 more of those and you'll have a full set.
That's disgusting looking.
Look, you can see some stuff. What is it? It's a husky.
Husky ranch? Let's see. Oh, baby.
I bet if you cleaned it, you could still use it. Yeah,
Probably could. Oh, yeah. That's
Check
actually
that out.
cleaning off pretty easy. I wonder if it was a ratcheting
Boston.
backing.
Boston.
You know, someone using that accidentally dropped and they were just like, ah, great.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
I have it. You just gotta go slow.
Boston saw a chair. down there. And if he pulls it up slow, I think he's got it. Is it still attached?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny. Yeah, baby. Heck yeah, throw your magnet back on it. They caught a chair.
Yeah, that's great. Do you think the world's a million feet long?
I do not know.
That's so heavy.
Check out that chair. How do you think it went in? Do you think it fell off someone's boat?
Someone fell in.
Do you think it got blown in by the wind?
I don't know. But
I don't either.
like I bet I could like scrub it and get the thing clean and then get the bars clean and use it.
Maybe.
I hooked something and it's so heavy you can lift it up. Oh, I can see it. I know.
So you can lift it,
How
but
if this is a square grouper?
I don't think it would be attached to your...
So how did they put it in a metal case, welded it shut? You know, a couple of million. Oh, that's a living fish.
Oh, not a fish, but... What do you mean square grouper? What is a square grouper?
It's like a drug.
Oh, drugs.
Someone goes into jail. They put so when they get out, they have.
Well, it might be a square grouper. You never know.
But whatever it is, I'm sharing it with Cody.
So, okay, when you lift it, it comes off the ground just a little ways, but then does it just go right back down?
Well, it doesn't. It's just you're so tired that you have to let it go.
Well, now, Bossy, you grabbed. He's pulled it. Oh.
Let me see. Try, but I bet Dad could get it out. Watch out.
Oh yeah, don't hurt yourselves. See, now Cody, you grab the...
And you can see it. You can see like
Yeah.
this boxy looking thing.
Oh my Lanta. Whoa, that scared me. I thought you were going to get my face.
Oh. I was just trying to get it over your You should ask Dad this time.
I don't know, it might snap Dad's back. You are getting it way high. See, now you got it, Bossy, now grab and pull.
Don't drop it, don't drop it.
Don't let it go down. Now, Cody, you pull. Now, let Bossy, you get down and pull.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, I wonder what it is. It just looks like a piece of broken from the... It looks like a piece of something broke off of a ship or something. You guys are working hard.
Alright, I can't just hold it forever.
Wrap it around that thing. Wrap it around your thing. Bossy, wrap that around. Wrap it around. Wrap it around.
How do I do this? Boss,
Use the loose one.
I can't. I'm slipping. It's slipping. It's slipping.
Okay, now
dropping
Bossy.
it, I'm dropping it.
Bossy, it's okay. It's okay. Bossy, try to pull it up now. At least you won't go further than this.
I can't hold it, Cody. There's no loose slack to wrap it around. Should I let it go? No. I can just for a second. Yeah, just let it go.
No! You almost got my hand in here.
I said I'm gonna let it go.
It's okay.
Okay. I'm sorry, Mom. Can you watch
It is totally okay. But at least it's this much. And it didn't go all the way down.
Yeah.
So now, when you pull it up, you can wrap it around this.
Look what I
Show me
found.
what you got.
I found this.
You're a sweaty boy. I can see the sweaty on your nose. Show me. Cool. That's
pretty
so neat.
lit.
What does it say on it? Anything? Or
Just says Cast Master.
Nice. That is so fun. You're finding some cool things.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Pretty amazing.
I ordered pizza, and pizza is on the way.
Are we gonna did you already text like Jamie and Cash?
Yeah, I did.
So they're having it with us?
They said they're going to come over after dinner. They said they'll meet us up in the lounge for games after dinner.
What are they having for dinner?
I don't know. Go ask them. Tell them that I ordered 3 large pizzas, and if they want some, they can.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys. I know I already closed the vlog, but then we came outside and this is the best way to end the vlog. Our tummies are full. I think that's the first thing is that the first thing we ate today? I mean, we literally got up and just started working.
Well, yeah, because we went to have cereal, but then the milk was bad and we just never went and got more. So we're like,
And it's not that, I mean, I just didn't, I mean, I figured you guys would eat if you got hungry, but I didn't even think about anything. So anyway, we each had like 4 huge pieces of pizza.
is that a lady's barking?
Yeah, I was gonna say there is no way. There is no way.
Should I whistle?
No. No, I can hear that like close by. Did you guys just feel a bug bite? I just
How
felt
could
a
I
bug
feel
bite.
anything?
Boss, do you want to know? I am so grateful that these haven't swelled up.
I will you be a marshmallow.
Well, yeah, I think that's a huge blessing that you're not swollen, and then they're just the bites. Because typically you swell up and you haven't.
Yeah.
Come up here.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay.
That's him. He's so annoying.
Okay, we love you guys so much. Bye-bye.